I'll be speaking Malay or Sabahan to you for today.
Saya makan butter chicken.
Jadi sekarang kita pergi.
You know, I sayang you guys. Hola. Hola.
So today we're actually going to KL. We're flying to KL. We're already at the airport. We already checked in, went through immigration and everything.
Immigration, yeah. Okay.
But today I have a fun idea, like a fun video to do with you. Basically, I'll be speaking.
Usually your version of fun is something that is going to be at my cost, at my expense.
That's fun. If you don't bully your boyfriend, where's the fun? Butter chicken? I didn't know they have butter chicken. If I knew, I would have ordered that. So this is our food. It's 11:20 now. Our flight is at 12:45. We're early as always. We got to the airport early.
Hold on, let me get to it. What's this fun idea of yours?
So basically, I'll be speaking Malay or Sabahan to you for today. Yeah.
Wow.
For today. But when you speak to me, you have to speak Malay. If not, I'm not gonna understand. I don't know English.
Okay.
What is it? Okay, kita start sekarang ah. Kita start sekarang. Saya tepuk, kita start. Okay, sudah saya tepuk. So, apa kau buat sekarang?
Huh?
Stop! You know what it means.
What? You spoke so fast. Because you're Sabahan. You spoke so fast.
Sabahans are rappers.
Yeah.
Apa kau makan? Bukan apa kau makan, apa kau buat?
Saya makan butter chicken.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sedap kah?
Yeah, very sedap. But not pedas.
Not ped. What is not? I don't understand.
Aish. You understand lah. Hayo.
No, I don't. Saya tidak paham.
One more time.
Saya tidak paham. Sedap kah?
Yeah.
Pedas?
Sedapnya.
Pedas kah?
No.
Apa itu no? Saya tidak paham apa itu no.
I mean.
Apa itu no?
Tidak.
Again?
Tidak.
Okay, tidak pedas. Okay, sekarang saya pun mau makan. Saya order, saya tak tahu lah Melayu apa, tapi roasted chicken rice. Saya tak tahu apa roasted Melayu. Apa tuh roasted Melayu?
Panggang.
Oh yeah, actually.
Come on. I do this in my sleep.
Okay, dia pandai lagi Melayu dari saya. So, sekarang kami makan dulu. Nanti kita sambung, okay?
Nanti kita sambung.
Okay, bye-bye.
I have no idea what I've just said.
Kami siap makan sudah. Jadi sekarang kami mau pergi gate.
Yeah.
Gate pagar.
Pagar, yes. We're going there. That's what she said.
Kita pergi pagar untuk buat apa?
I don't know what you're saying now. Right?
Untuk apa means for what?
For what? Entering the plane.
Nah, kamu tengok apa dia search tuh.
Come on.
Jadi
I have to use it.
kita pergi pagar untuk apa?
Masuk the plane. Okay. Masuk ke kapal terbang.
Lagi.
Ya, terbang.
Lagi.
Why?
Cepat.
Okay. Masuk ke kapal.
Louder, like.
Masuk ke kapal terbang. I don't know, man. I sound so bad.
Jadi sekarang kita pergi
We're going to the gate. Okay, we're going to the gate.
Gate nomor berapa nih?
1.
Iya kah? Betul kah? Kalau salah?
No, it's not the wrong gate. It's not the wrong gate, it's the
No,
right
kau
one.
mesti cakap Melayu.
Ayo.
Itulah dia punya challenge. Kalau kau cakap English, apalah tu orang.
Okay. Man, I am suffering from success. You know, the success is being with her, and then the suffering is all this.
Jadi,
What? What? What?
okay lah, bye. Aku give up. Beli air dulu dia.
People are boarding already.
Huh?
No, it looks like it.
No.
This is the plane, bro.
Eh? Boarding time is 12:05. I don't know why people are going in. What? We almost missed our flight? We almost missed our flight? You're kidding, right? It says boarding time is 12:05. It's literally 11:50 right now. And we're already boarding.
Yeah,
Oh,
because we're laughing, huh?
We almost missed our flight? Kidding me? We're here. Again? And we wanted to make a TikTok. And we didn't even get to make our TikTok.
Nope.
Because we went to the gate. We went to the gate and suddenly we're boarding. Like, what? I'll show you guys. It literally says today at 12:05. Yeah. And now it's only. Finally got our bags. Now we're gonna call a Grab. We're checking into our hotel, and now we're going to Chow Kit. Kayaknya mau pergi Chow Kit sebab ada event. Event apa?
Yeah.
Apa?
PM something? I don't know, I forgot. PMD or
Event pre-love. Pre-love.
Pre-love.
Yeah.
What was that? Apa itu? Hmm?
It's like second-hand stuff.
Ah.
Yeah. I don't know. We'll see. We'll check it out.
Okay.
I love thrifting, so yeah, we'll see. Whoa, it's full. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, help. So, here we are. Kami di sini sudah. Tapi kau tinggal tuh barisan. Macam No, I'm not going there. No, not with all those people. So right now we're just gonna go to the row and get some food.
Oh la la, oh la mak. Oh la mak. Ah.
We're here for what is this for? Pre-dinner.
It is
Pre-dinner snack.
dinner and lunch or lunch? I don't know.
So we ordered some pastries. We're gonna try later.
Roll.
And then this is the cookie is mine and Mgasu ordered banana bread.
Banana loaf.
Banana
That's what they call it.
bread. It's bread.
It's cake.
So cutesy.
It's cake. Come on, level up its name. It's not just bread.
And our apple juice arrived. I love apple juice.
Yes, she does. And I also love apple juice. I would have fancied an orange, but oh well.
So we want to share a drink because we have dinner with a friend later at 7. So we don't want to eat a lot, we don't want to drink a lot.
Yes.
Yeah, so we're just sharing a drink. And he wanted orange, I want apple. So we ended up getting apple. 24 ringgit for that.
28.
20, 28, 28 ringgit for that. Oh my god. Okay, anyway, we're in we're in the city, no longer in kampong. Okay, so we have to deal with it.
We are here.
6 hours later, or 7-8 hours later.
10 years later.
It's now 11:30, 11:26. We're here at Jusu. So we had dinner with a friend just now. And now we're just chilling. The reason why we're out is because I want to try out this. I rented the G7X Mark II
Canon.
because you can't find this in stores. You
The
can't
lower
be-
prices.
They're overpriced and also it's always out of stock. Ta-da! Rented it for this trip specifically. So cool. The quality is so good.
Yes, they
Really
will.
good quality.
They will really see quality through the screen. Yeah, what happened to me speaking Malay? Wait, the day is over, right? Yes, let's go.
It will fail, but
Look, I tried, guys.
you can do it now.
I don't know. I sayang you guys. Huh? Sayang?
Eh, what happened?
See, how do you say I love you guys?
Saya sayang kamu.
Yeah. You know? Yeah, what she said. You know, I sayang you guys. Sayang kamu.
To our like 52 subscribers. 52 subscribers on YouTube. The viewers who haven't subscribed, do you love them as well?
No, I don't love them. I what? Tidak sayang. What?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I tidak sayang kamu. I have no idea what I've just said. I'm just winging it right now.
That's correct.
It's correct.
Yeah.
See, I just wing it and I get it right. Guys, this is in my blood. Yeah.